A major winter storm is causing severe weather for millions of people in the United States and Canada. Over half of the population in the US is under winter storm and wind chill warnings. The storm is affecting multiple areas of the country, and cold temperatures have even reached as far south as the US-Mexico border. And over 1 million Americans are currently without any power. Winter storm warnings have been issued to alert the public to take necessary precautions and to be prepared for adverse weather conditions. When a winter storm warning is in effect, it is important to stay informed about the latest weather forecast and to follow any recommendations or instructions from local authorities. This may include staying indoors, avoiding travel if possible, and having an emergency kit on hand in case of power outages or other disruptions. Here are some steps you can take to prepare for winter storms. Number 1. Stay informed. Keep track of the latest weather forecast and warnings from reliable sources such as the National Weather Service (NWS) or your local weather station. Number 2. Create an emergency kit. Put together a kit with supplies that will be useful during a winter storm, such as non-perishable food, water, flashlights, batteries, warm clothing, and blankets, and also a source of heat. Number 3. Know your community's emergency plans. Familiarize yourself with your community's emergency plans and evacuation routes in case you need to leave your home during a storm. Number 4. Insulate your home. Proper insulation can help keep your home warm and reduce the risk of frozen pipes. Make sure your home is properly insulated and that you have weather striping around doors and windows to keep out drafts. Number 5. Protect your pipes. Cold temperatures can cause pipes to freeze, which can lead to costly repairs. To prevent this, wrap pipes in insulations or use heat tape to keep them warm. Number 6. Have a backup plan for heat. In case of a power outage, have a backup plan for keeping your home warm, such as fireplace, wood stove, or portable heater. Number 7. Check your car. Make sure your car is in good working order and that you have a winter emergency kit in your trunk, including shovel, blanket, extra warm clothing, and a flashlight. Number 8. Stay safe on the road. If you must travel during a winter storm, drive cautiously and be prepared for difficult driving conditions. Allow extra time for your trip and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. With winter storms approaching this winter, it is important to keep everyone safe, so please do not hesitate to share this information with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, make sure to leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.